my name is Sarah and I will be explaining our calculations that we did for the AF201 assignment. To answer the first question, which is whether the company should switch from producing a high-value product to a low-value product, we found that according to our calculations, producing X12 requires a prime cost of 4,270,000 with a cost of goods sold at $10,682,500. For the S15 product, its prime costs come up to $626,000 with a cost of goods sold at $1,203,125. We can already see that the X12 is more costly based on the calculations found from the gross margin of each product, which is defined as the company's ability to produce a profit for each kg it produces. We find that the gross margin for X12 is $5.24. For S15, it's $5.98. The S15 has a 74 cents more profit than the X12 compound. So, turning now to the concern of the plant manager, the competitors producing at $6 less than the company would definitely decrease the company's profits if we are to also sell at the same price as the competitors are selling at. So it would be the wiser option for our company to switch from producing X12 to S15. However, our sales and production will be based on the demand by the people. And as seen earlier, when asked if a 25% increase would affect the quantity demanded, the consumers clearly said no. So a company should definitely switch from S12 to S15. Thank you.
Hello, board members. As we have analyzed so far for the situation of the Wilson manufacturing producing two products. One is X12 compound and the other is the S15 compound. The lack of competition for the S15 can be used and capitalized by the company, which means that the company can be able to maximize profit in continuing producing this S15 compound products. If Wilson manufacturing put the 25% increase in price for these products, for sure there is still an increase in demand from customers due to the monopolizing producing of these products to increase their price without losing sales. The Wilson manufacturing should consider investing in S15 in order to maximize profit.
Hello again. So I'm the one who's doing BASI. BASI is based on what the action you take on the information provided by the ABC or the activity-based unit cost. As we can see on our calculation of the ABC, the gross margin for the compound of X12 is positive at the amount of 830, and for the compound of S15 is negative at the amount of 9.27. It is tell us that the cost exceeds the revenue for the compound of S15, and so if we are able to switch from producing X12 to S15, we would need to increase that price. However, with the scene of response from the customers on increasing in a price, as well as the monopolizations of the compound of S15, we would be able to switch that negative gross margin to the positive one. So that's all I got, and thank you.
To summarize, it is clear that the X12 compound is the most expensive to produce in this economy and also the one with the least profits, while the S15 will be the one with the most profit and the least amount of expenses compared to the X12. So it would be the wiser option for the company to switch from producing X12 to S15. Thank you.